Charlie. This is Charlie's teaching train. Hi, I'm Charlie. This is Charlie's teaching train. All aboard! Today we're going to be making 2 cups of hot chocolate using unsweetened cocoa mix. First, pour 8 ounces of milk into your mug. If you want to measure out 8 ounces, fine. But for us, we're gonna do it like this. There we go. We've got 8 ounces of milk. Now let's pour it in. And now do it again. Oh, too much.
It's okay, just pour it in.
Milk on the stove. Now let's add the sugar. 1 tablespoon per cup. You can use any sweetener. We're using brown sugar.
Yep, you can use white sugar, you can use honey.
Very, very thick brown sugar. Because this is very, very thick. Here we go. That just made a gigantic bubble in there. Now, let's add a second one. Now, let's turn the stove on. Make sure you have an adult do this part.
All right, so we're going to turn our stove on.
Again, make sure you have an adult do this part. Now, let's stir. Wait, I'm pretty sure we should use a whisk or a spatula for this. Spatula! Oh, here it is. Stirring time. Make sure you mix and crush all the big lumps of cocoa in there.
Yep.
And mix it all in with the milk. I've mixed in most of it. Just got a few more big lumps that are unwanted in here. Make sure to check the bottom of it.
All right, so we'll keep stirring.
When you start seeing the wisps, it means it's hot enough to drink, but not that hot that it is going to burn. Now that you're ready to enjoy. Wait, I think we need one more thing. Here are marshmallows. Who doesn't like marshmallows in your hot cocoa? Drop a dislike if you don't like marshmallows. Like if you do. Now, after I separate these, you can enjoy. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It'll really mean a lot to me.
So, Charlie, I've had some really rich and creamy hot cocos. Is there any way to make a nice rich and creamy hot cocoa at home?
Why, yes, there is. Instead of using what we put in, add 2/3 of a cup of milk and 1/3 cup of heavy cream.
Wow, that sounds great. I'll have to try it. You know, I had a Mexican hot chocolate once. It was great. It was spicy and sweet. And is there any way I could make that at home?
Yes, there is. So first you need 1/16 of cayenne pepper and
The Mexican hot chocolate at home.
yes. First you need to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/16 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Wow, thank you. That sounds delicious. So, Charlie, I have this friend that absolutely loves anything that's seasoned with pumpkin pie spice. I think they would love to have a pumpkin pie spiced hot cocoa. Would there be any way I could make a pumpkin pie spiced hot cocoa?
Yes, add pumpkin pie spice. Yes, add a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice.